You don't lack discipline. You have just been trained to fail. Every time you pick up your phone instead of doing the work. It's not laziness, it's programming. Your brain is addicted to easy dopamine, scrolling, short videos, instant pleasure, and the scary part, you don't even realize it's controlling you. Let me prove it. When was the last time you sat in silence without touching your phone? Exactly. Discipline isn't motivation, it's removing distractions. People who look disciplined, they just made bad habits harder to access. There are three solutions. Here is how you fix it. First, make distractions invisible. Second, make good habits easy. Third, reduce decisions. Same routine daily. Start small. Even 10 minutes of focus can rewire your brain. You don't need more motivation, you need control. And once you take it back, your life changes forever.